Best country in Asia.
Pakistan?
Why?
Because my boyfriend is from Pakistan and he is such a nice person.
Pakistan Army or Indian Army?
Well, recently what Pakistani army did with Indian army, that was incredible. So
Right.
Pakistan army is on top. There's no comparison about this.
Okay, Maria, I have a question. Best country in Asia?
Pakistan.
I appreciate that. I'm also from Pakistan.
Oh, nice.
Happy Eid.
Thank you. You too.
Army or Indian Army?
Pakistan, of course, one of the greatest armies in the world.
Same question. Pakistan Army or Indian Army?
Pakistan, no doubt. They're amazing.
What about you? Pakistan Army, Indian Army?
Pakistan army, hands down.
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
India, Pakistan.
Pakistan for sure.
India or Pakistan?
Pakistan.
No doubt.
India or Pakistan?
Pakistan.
One of the greatest armies is Pakistani.
Let's find out. India or Pakistan?
Pakistan.
India or Pakistan?
Pakistan, for sure.
India or Pakistan?
Pakistan.
Obviously Pakistan.
Greatest armies is Pakistani. There you go. A lot of love for Pakistan out here in New York. Appreciate everyone. I'm in New York. Question for you guys. Pakistan Air Force or Indian Air Force?
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Why Pakistan though?
Because
6-0.
Say less.
Exactly.
Pakistan Air Force or Indian Air Force?
Pakistan.
Pakistan, why?
Yeah.
They're just way cooler, the planes, the uniforms, everything.
And you?
Pakistan for sure.
Why is that?
You know,
Best country in Asia?
It's definitely Pakistan.
What do you know about Pakistan?
Well, the hospitality, good-looking people, best leadership, best army. That's all.
How do you know about Pakistan?
Well, it's from the news, and also I have some Pakistani friends as well.
All right, thank you. I appreciate that. Goodbye.
Sure, bye.
This is my second time. I'm from Tajikistan, raised up in Russia, but I'm married to Pakistani.
Tell me your 3 favorite things about Pakistan.
Obviously the food, people. Third one, what's the third one? The weather. I mean, I love hot weather.
Ah, yeah, because it's very hot.
In Russia it is so cold.
Yeah, I have the same. I'm from Poland, then from
Habibi!
Welcome to Pakistan!
इसको कहते हैं पाकिस्तान। मैं हमेशा कहता रहा हूँ दुनिया में सबसे बड़े शरीफ कौम पाकिस्तान और सबसे बड़ा बदमाश कौम भी पाकिस्तान है। दुनिया का सबसे बड़ी जंग यानी सबसे बड़ी लड़ाई और ताकतवर मुल्कों का हो रहा था। सुलह कौन करा रहा है? पाकिस्तान। तो मोहब्बत है यार हम इस मुल्क से। फिर कौन कहता है पाकिस्तान बड़ा मुल्क नहीं है? पाकिस्तान